Cheyenne Spirit, it'll bloom from summer to the fall. Again, it's hardy to zone 4, which is down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Hi everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Friday, Plant Chat Friday for us, and it's day 144.
Yep, if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while we're under quarantine.
And we're so happy you're here, you guys. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already so you don't miss out on all our daily videos.
So guys, today we're talking about the coneflower, and we have a couple different coneflowers in our garden that we wanted to show you.
And we have a helper today. You can probably just saw him running around in the background.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
There he is.
That's Jasper.
Jasper.
We're dog sitting, so that's fun. Coneflowers, it's literally one of our most favorite perennials, and we have a few different cultivars to show you.
So guys, here we are. This is our first look at some coneflowers today. And what we have here is we have Kismet White, and we also have Powwow Wild Berry. Now, can you guess which one's which?
Oh, these white ones are just, we're loving these this year. Apparently Jasper does too. He's right here.
Yep.
Oh, there he goes. So, I mean, they're just so vibrant and they just pop.
Look how big they are, you guys.
And what's cool is this one is still blooming. It's just unfolding, and we've got a lot of new buds coming in. So we're excited to see more of those pop up.
Gosh, guys, just look at the two flowers and the contrast in color and size. Aren't they beautiful?
Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. And we've got our beautiful agastache coming up in the back. So
Oh yeah.
this is definitely one of our favorite containers this year. And speaking of which, coneflowers are great for containers.
They're great for containers. They're great for border mass plantings. They're also great for cut flowers. These plants are actually hardy down to zone 4, which is actually a -30 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, which is pretty crazy. That's pretty cold.
Yeah, really.
So these are herbaceous perennials. These two, and then the other one we're going to show you today. They all like full sun. They like well-draining soil. So guys, something funny that happened here. We planted these two coneflowers together because we wanted to see the contrast. We wanted to have them in the same pot. But after we planted them, we kind of realized that the Kismet likes its soil to get dry between waterings, where the Powwow Wildberry actually likes to have moist soil pretty much all the time. So we're doing a balancing act between the two plants and their watering schedules. It's working out fine, you can see. So we're doing a little bit of both, a little bit of drying, maybe not so much drying between waterings, and it's doing great.
I know, that was kind of a big oops on our part, but yeah, like you said, it was a happy accident because they're doing great. I mean, these are really healthy coming in, so.
And this is a great example of just because the plant tag and the books and everybody says one thing about these plants doesn't mean you still can't make it work. You just got to find a way. And so this is a great example of that.
Yeah, we love coneflowers because, of course, they're in the Asteraceae family, which is the large daisy family. We have highlighted many, many daisy family members as part of Friday Plant Chat. And you can see the characteristic of, you know, not only does it look like a type of daisy, but it's got that disc flower in the middle with the ray flowers around the outside.
Very characteristic of daisy family flowers. We also put these two coneflowers together because there's a difference between how tall and big they get. So the Kismet, the white, it gets 13 to 24 inches high, and it'll get 12 to 18 inches wide, where the Powwow Wildberry gets 24 to 30 inches tall, and it'll get 18 to 24 inches wide. So the Powwow Wildberry is supposed to actually get taller than the Kismet.
So here is our other grouping of beautiful coneflowers, and you might have seen us highlight these already. This is Cheyenne Spirit, and they come in it's kind of a range of colors from pinks to oranges to kind of darker pink to, we haven't seen cream yet, but that should be kind of characteristic of Cheyenne Spirit. Maybe yellow?
We haven't seen the yellow yet, I was just going to mention.
Oh, yellow coneflowers would be amazing.
Wouldn't that be beautiful?
So we're hopeful that we'll see some other colors popping up here.
So Cheyenne Spirit, it'll bloom from summer to the fall. Again, it's hardy to zone 4, which is down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow.
Pretty cool. All of these coneflowers, we haven't told you this yet, coneflowers themselves evolved, and they're native to Central and Eastern North America. Now, these ones you see here, these are all hybrids. And so these have been cultivated and grown for their specific characteristics and colors for their flowers. but all of their ancestors are native to the central and eastern parts of North America.
One thing I love about the coneflowers, they are usually covered by bumblebees and butterflies. There isn't anybody on these right now, but...
It's early morning, so they're out, they're just getting ready, getting up on their Friday morning too. So guys, really, for more cultural information and to kind of drill down on how to grow these in your garden, we have a plant profile on the coneflower that you can check out, and that's on our website. And so you can go to our website at spokengarden.com/blog, and you'll be able to find the coneflower plant profile there.
And we'll link it down below too.
Totally.
Also, you guys, okay, so let's talk about some other plant care regarding coneflowers. You know, really, there's not a lot you need to do for care. Just making sure that they're in the right soil and have the right watering, you know, that they need and all of that.
Full sun.
Full sun, totally. You can deadhead these, and we actually covered that on day 127 on a previous video, all about how to deadhead coneflowers. So it is possible. You can see we deadheaded, this is evidence of deadheading right there. But again, you don't have to. So it's a personal choice.
And now you can see too, Allison's looking at some of the newer blooms on the coneflower. You can see around the coneflower, we have common yarrow planted around it. We have 3 separate plants of it. And the reason we did that is because it's a nice contrast for one. It's great contrast to texture, but also both of these plants, the coneflower and the common yarrow, are drought tolerant. And so they can pair well in a pot or even out in the landscape somewhere in your garden. So that's why you're seeing that.
And I'm sorry, but isn't that just, this is one of our favorite containers as well this year.
It really is.
Love that pairing. By the way, you guys, this makes an appearance in our upcoming book, so look for that. So if you're here watching, you probably love coneflowers as much as we do, so we hope that was helpful for you. And like Sean already mentioned, we wrote a whole post about coneflowers and went into detail about the history and a lot more uses, so definitely click that link down below if you want to learn more.
And if you want to know more about us, because you're just interested, you can go to spokengarden.com/about, and all our information's right there. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And thanks for being here today, everybody. Have a great weekend ahead, and we'll see you tomorrow with our next project.
Yep, see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.